All right. Yes, we have gone K series, K24 to be exact. We just went out, purchased a 2004 Honda CRV. We just got it back to the house. As you can see, she's scraping off
For sale sign.
the for sale that the guy had on the windshield. So yes, we officially gone K series. So that's a H and a K. And let me guys give you an update on the Honda project on the Civic. All right, so just a quick update. This video is not going to be highly edited or anything like that. We are getting ready to hit the road again to purchase another vehicle, or hope to purchase another one. So listen, this is what's going to happen. This here is coming out. This motor is coming out. I started taking out the motor mounts and all that, and I have the parts for it. I think I'm going to take it out, assemble it. This is what I'm going to do with this motor here. With this shell, I am going to trade it or sell it. I'm going to trade it for LSD for this transmission. This is a H22 transmission. That's going to be going into my H-swap hatch. I want an LSD for it. So I'll make the trade for the shell, for the Civic shell. As you can see, and I showed you guys in the last video, it has no Honda rust. Actually, it has a little bitty surface rust here that can be taken care of ASAP. As you can see, clean. Starting to bubble a little bit right here, so get that taken care of and you'll be good. It's not all rusted out and hard to get to. So this is for you guys that don't know, this is a 94 Honda Civic. Now it is an automatic. So what I'm going to do for sure, I know for sure, is I already purchased the reservoir, the clutch reservoir that goes in here. So I'm going to install that, and then I'm going to see if I can make it to the junkyard to get the clutch line and the clutch pedal. But it will already come with the clutch reservoir, and I have H22 shifter cables for it. So I'm not sure if you can use the same shifter cables for the K series or not, but this Civic, the project, is gonna go bye-bye. Right now, I'm gonna work with what I already have instead of taking on new things. The K series is the CRV is either gonna do one or two things. We're gonna sell the wagon and keep the CRV, but this particular hatch that we're talking about, this coupe actually, is gonna either be traded for LSD for H22 from a 93, 92 H22 VTEC motor LSD. I can trade it for, and or I sell the shell ready for a swap. Initially I was going to cut this bracket off, so whosoever purchases it can just decide if they want to go K series or H series, and they would already have the clean engine bay and the mounts removed. But when I thought about it, if you're going to go B series, then you might want to keep that mount right there. So I'm going to leave that in. As far as it has a salvage title, and this is why. So this got wrinkled, as you can see. Right here was pulled out perfectly, and the bumper support up under there, so you can see where the bumper support is bolted. It just needs to be unbolted, and that's it. The frame itself is good. It just needs a bumper support. So if you take the bumper off, it just needs a bumper support. Rest of the stuff is surface. So I'm sorry, we're kind of in a rush because we're getting ready to hit the road again to pick up a truck, and that's going to replace the truck that I have now. So changing our fleet, kind of stepping our game up a little bit, and we're going to do away with the Honda project for right now. We want bigger and better things right now. And the Honda Civic project, it is cool. Not knocking it. It is real good, but I'm thinking on a wider scope right now. So anybody that needs a clean, non-abused, the frame hasn't been ripped and torn, and the motor, the miles is good, the chassis itself, it's immaculate. You guys can message me down below in the comment section, and if you guys don't want to buy the shell, the other option that I'll have is I'll make a trade for LSD for my transmission. I just went out and picked this up from my cousin. Actually, I had an Accord transmission, and I gave him for another Prelude transmission, because for some reason they put a Prelude tranny with the Accord, and he's just horrible driving it on the highway. So I'm going to take this, pull it apart. It's already I already started. This is no guessing, no none of that. Get the LSD, whether I sell the shell and get the LSD or I trade for the LSD. This shell is going to be gone. Get it now. I'm telling you. You see that these things here with a K-swap in them are a beast on the track. And if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, I throw the clip in of Brandon and his '95 Civic. Brandon Jefferson. Woo! 905. Oh my goodness. So y'all can see the potential that this thing has. So leave me a message down below and let me know what y'all think.